Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to save tomato seeds. Saving your own seeds is a great way to save money, it helps support agricultural biodiversity, and it makes your garden better every year because you're selecting and planting seeds that are adapted to your specific microclimate and garden conditions. When saving tomato seeds, you want to make sure that you're only saving seeds from heirloom or open-pollinated varieties, as they will preserve the traits of their parents much better than hybridized seeds. Since you only want to pass on the best traits to the next generation, you want to save seeds from your best tomatoes. For me, this means tomatoes that are large, beautiful, and the skin is not splitting. I'd recommend saving seed from a couple tomatoes just to increase your odds of success. The first thing you'll want to do is cut open your tomato, exposing the seedy cavities within. You basically just want to go through and scoop out all of the seedy goop, leaving just the fleshy part of the tomato behind, which of course you can still eat. Once you have your goop in a jar, you want to add a little bit of water to the jar and then cover it with a paper towel and a rubber band. You'll then leave this jar to sit out at room temperature out of direct sunlight for a couple days, stirring the mixture every day. Tomato seeds actually have a casing around them that prevents germination. This is what prevents them from sprouting in the tomato fruit itself. However, when a tomato rots, which it would naturally do if it was unpicked and just left out on the vine, a fermentation process occurs which removes this anti-germination coating from the seeds and allows them to sprout. Think of what we're doing here with the jar sitting out for a few days as kind of simulating that process. We want to let the seeds rot a little bit so that they're ready to sprout for next season. Once your seeds have sat out for a few days, you're going to strain them and dry them. The seeds have sunk to the bottom of the mixture and a layer of mold has formed on top. This is perfectly okay since, as I said, this rotting fermentation process is what we're trying to replicate. I'm just going to remove that top layer and then strain the seeds using a small metal strainer that's fine enough to catch the seeds but open enough that I can rinse the remaining pulp off the seeds and through the strainer. I'm going to rinse the seeds a couple times and just push the water and pulp out, and then once I've done that, I'll drop the seeds on a paper towel and pat them dry. Separate the seeds as best you can and leave them out to dry on a paper towel for a few days. Once they're completely dry, you're ready to store them away for sprouting next year. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish great success for you and your tomato plants. Bye!